He just held it down, dude. Is it? Stop. He's stopping the boat. Reel in, reel in, reel. There you go. They're definitely on that top side. Don't you agree? You concur? Steady fish today. Coming fast. That's good. Taking it. Taking off on you now. Stopping the boat. I think we might need a bigger boat. Taking the planer board down. Huh? Yeah. Just make sure that drags loose when it gets to the boat. Or you're gonna take it for a little ride. Ooh. Yeah, huh? That might be a dandy. Might be a dandy. Just take it nice and slow, brother. You know the drill. We don't rush. We don't need to rush. Even if we were at a tournament, you guys don't rush, do you? You just take it easy. Yep, same with us. It's mid-30s maybe. Maybe more. He had a nice tail flip on him. He ain't wanting to come top the boat. Where you at, brother? He giving you fits though. Y'all wrapped up. GoPro came undone. Fight him a little longer. I don't think you have a choice, do you? Oh, that's a 40, maybe 50. There he is. He's burping. So we'll do the same as normal. We'll go ahead and unhook him while he's in the net, and then weigh him while he's in the net, and then we'll take pictures and release him. The reason why we do this, ladies and gentlemen, is because you don't handle the fish as much. So if you're take him out, unhook him, then put him back in a sling or a scale, and then that was on a rattle too. He inhaled that bait, and then so the less you handle them, in my book, you can do whatever you want. Hang them from the garage rafter for all I care. I'd rather you guys not. You ready? I'm gonna say 38. 36. 36 pounder. Rodney's gonna get slimy again. You gonna do the grips? Or you gonna mount him? Yep. It's all about experience. Got you on video. There you go. Oh yeah, he's manhandling Rodney. Yep. Get in there and grab him. There you go. There you go. There you go, son. Look at this joker. There you go. That's better. Perfecto. I just think you're good with just slipping him down. I think he's gonna go. Just straight down. Get a little slime in your sody. Perfect.